Hello, this is Alexander Green, Chief Investment Strategist with the Oxford Club. You know, a lot of people right now are chasing the momentum stocks, and that can be a valuable trading strategy. I run a service based on momentum stocks alone, but you shouldn't overlook the things that are actually very inexpensive, the value stocks. And often these are referred to right now as the reopening stocks, because the ones that have been hurt the worst this year have been the airlines, the cruise lines, the hotels, restaurants, retailers, and those stocks are actually quite inexpensive. And I think some investors are going to be surprised at just how strongly they come back. Because remember, the stock market's looking out 6 to 9 months. And what do we know what's going to be happening 6 to 9 months from now? Well, almost certainly we're going to have a vaccine. Almost certainly we're going to have more effective treatment for those who get sick. And almost certainly we know that people who've been cooped up for all of 2020 are going to want to get out and do something. They're going to want to take that trip. In fact, we're already seeing that travel companies and cruise lines are seeing bookings heavily into 2021. People are already planning ahead to go, and yet the stocks are languishing. So if you're looking for stocks that might really bounce back, you should look at some of the sectors: airlines, hotels, cruise lines, brick and mortar retailers, energy stocks. You know, people who've been stuck at home. If you haven't been going out to eat, if you haven't been driving to the office, if you haven't taken any business or vacation trips, that's going to change. Energy demand is going to pick up. And there's a lot of talk about alternative energy, but you're not going to fly based on solar or hydro or geothermal. Still, the vast majority of our energy comes from fossil fuels, and yet those stocks are among the cheapest of the cheap in the market right now. So I want to encourage you, if you're trying to increase your returns, to look at these reopening stocks, because they're the ones that stand to gain the most as the economy reopens, which indeed it will eventually. So take a look at those stocks. And if you want to hear more on my thoughts on this subject and many others, feel free to subscribe to my weekly e-letter, Liberty Through Wealth. It's absolutely free, and you can just sign up below. And I look forward to speaking to you again soon.